Hello everyone, this is just a quick video about something new that's popped into Google Classroom. So if any of you are like me and you assign classes and assignments to your classes, in your classwork, you're finding that your students are actually going to the stream instead of going to classwork where you have life all nicely arranged no matter how many times you tell them. So then they're clicking on the things that they shouldn't be clicking on in the wrong order. Well, Google is actually taking care of this, and they now allow you to hide your classwork from your stream. So your stream you can still use if you want to post up a question or something like that, but if you've posted something in classwork and you don't want it to show up in your stream, like me, then all you need to do is go up to the gear box up here, which is the settings. So you click on that and you go down here where it says general and it says classwork on the stream. It says show condensed notifications, or you can say hide notifications. So I want to hide notifications, and I click the save button, and magically all of those have disappeared. So anything that has to do with classwork is now out of my stream, but it's still hiding or it's still hanging out in my classwork. So now it forces the students to actually go to the classwork and not try to work off the stream. So that's just a helpful hint. Hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.